Good morning, dear children. If you remember, in the previous class we studied the topic articles and the different types of articles. In today's class, we shall continue the same topic. In today's class, we'll discuss about indefinite articles, a and an. Also, when do we use the articles a or an, and when we do not the articles a or an. Let us start our class. What is an indefinite article? Dear children, articles a and an are known as indefinite articles as they do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. They can be used for any person, any place or any thing. Now, let us see when do we use indefinite articles. First one is before countable nouns in their singular forms. Before countable nouns in their singular forms. Countable nouns means the nouns which can be counted in numbers and when they are singular in number. For example, a student. A student is countable noun and it is in singular form. A chair, talking about one chair. Chair is countable noun. An apple. Apple is also countable noun in singular form. So we use the article a or an before the countable nouns in their singular forms. Second one is to define or describe a person or an object. When we want to define any person or an object, we use the article a or an. For example, an engineer, a mobile phone. The next one is when a proper noun is used as a common noun. We know, dear children, before proper nouns we do not use any article. But when proper noun is used as a common noun, we can use the article a or an. For example, we need a Gandhi to stop violence in India now. Here, the proper noun is Gandhi. It is not referring to Mahatma Gandhi, but here Gandhi is a proper noun but used as a common noun. Here it means the attitude of Gandhi. So we can use the article a or an before the proper nouns when they are used as a common noun. Next, in some expressions that contain idioms. For example, Mukul was in a hurry. Now, let's see when we do not use the articles a or an. First one is before countable nouns in their plural forms. We know the articles a and an mean one. So, before the countable nouns in their plural form, we do not use the article a or an. For example, I have chairs in my study. Here, what is the noun? Chairs. It is countable noun but in plural form. So, we cannot say I have a chairs. It will be wrong. Next is before uncountable nouns because a or an signify one. Before uncountable nouns we do not use the article a or an because a or an means one. Clear? For example, please bring some sugar. What is an uncountable noun here? Sugar. Sugar is an uncountable noun. So we cannot say please bring a sugar. It will be wrong. Next is before an adjective not followed by a noun. We do not use article a or an before any adjective which is followed by a noun. Let's see the example. He is brilliant. Can you recognize what is an adjective here? Yes, brilliant is an adjective, and this adjective is not followed by a noun. So, dear children, we cannot write he is brilliant. It will be wrong. If an adjective is followed by a noun, in that case we can use the articles a or an. For example, he is a brilliant man. Here an adjective brilliant is followed by a noun man. So we can use an article a before an adjective. Next, when a noun is preceded by another determiner. When any other determiner comes before a noun, in that case also we do not use the articles a or an. Let's see the example. This is a poem of mine. Here poem is a noun. Before noun we cannot see any other determiner. Let's see the next example. This is my poem. It will be wrong because we can see another determiner mine before the noun. In that case we do not use the article a or an. Now, important point to remember. What is determiner? Let's see. Determiners are words which modify a noun in some way. Determiners are words which modify a noun in some way. There are many types of determiners. Articles, possessives, demonstratives, interrogatives, all these comes in determiners. Clear? For example, this, that, these, those, mine, your, his, either, neither, some, any, many, what, whose. All these are the examples of determiners. So, I hope through this class you understood the use of a or an. Dear children, in the next class we will talk about definite article the. When do we use the definite article the, and when we do not use the definite article